If I could do anything, I would build teenagers' resilience and resourcefulness. I would just go into the schools and I would make sure, because they live in a world that's so virtual, they don't even know reality anymore. Everything has become online, and that's fantastic when you're, in some instances. But when they are just living from a place where they're living from a selfie world. So they don't have conversations that are real anymore, and they can't have bad days where they just have spots and they just don't look so good. And I feel that if they just learned how to cope, and when their boyfriend breaks up with them or they're not sure of their sexuality, they need to be able to go somewhere they can talk to their friend about that and not feel that it might be on Instagram or social media. I think that's causing a lot of problems because they're trying to live up to an expectation that's surreal. Nobody can live like that. 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 Nobody can live like that.